welcome to Agri Cacao Ventures, where farming meets innovations. Today, we're taking you on a quick field tour to show how cacao goes from a simple pod to a valuable product. If you're ever wondered how chocolate began its journey, you're in the right place. It all starts here. Cacao trees grow best in warm, tropical climate. Farmers carefully monitor these trees to make sure they stay healthy and productive. Once the pods are ripe, they're harvested by hand. This step is very important. Harvesting too early or too late affects the quality of the bean. Inside each pod are cacao beans covered in a sweet pulp. These beans are then collected and prepared for fermentation. Fermentation is where the magic begins. The beans are stored in boxes or wrapped in banana leaves for several days. This process develops the flavor that eventually becomes chocolate. After fermentation, the beans are dried under the sun. Proper drying prevents mold and help preserve quality. Finally, the dried beans are sorted, packed, and ready for selling or further processing into chocolate products.